Hello. Today we will be doing a solar plexus guided meditation. So please find a comfortable place where you will be alone and not bothered so you can focus on yourself. Before we get into the guided meditation, we will try now to relax our bodies, our minds, and our beings so we can have the full experience of the guided meditation. So as you find a comfortable place to sit or lay, remember the goal is non-movement. Make movement the last thing that you do until the meditation is over. And begin focusing on your forehead and upper head area. And start to release all of the tension that's located in the forehead area, top of the head area, and bring your awareness to this area. Notice any tension, any areas where there's resistance. Begin to release that energy. Bring your awareness down to your eyebrows and eyes, nose, cheek areas, all of the tension that rests in your face. Begin to release it and let it go. Excellent. As your face begins to feel freer and released from tension and more relaxed, almost like rubber, we bring our awareness down to our neck area and all of the attention, all of the things that we want to say and never say, they get lodged in our neck area. So begin to release that energy. Be free from all of the things that you wish you should have said, could have said, but didn't. All of the things that you said that you wish you wouldn't have said, release those things from your neck area. Feel the tension-free neck, throat area. Notice the difference. Moving down to your shoulders and collarbone area. All of the tension from holding the world on your shoulders. Just release that. Be free from that energy right now. As your upper body remains to be free and loose and almost rubbery, we bring our awareness down to our extremities, our arms and hands, and release the tension from our arms and hands and begin to be more free, more transient, more transparent. We begin to feel light, almost as light as a feather, as we release the tension in our chest areas, clavicle areas, left side, right side. We feel the tension in our upper backs that needs to be released. Let us release that from our trapezoid areas. Release that tension. Feels good. We bring our awareness down to our abdomen. It's a lot of energy that we hold there. And although we can't release the energy in one session, we can begin to release that energy in our abdomen. All of the negative energy that no longer serves us in our development. Release that energy. Bring our awareness to our lower back and the base of our spine as we begin to rotate our chakras and just release the energy and any tension, any unwanted energy that we feel throughout our upper body. Let us release that energy. We want our bodies to be free and light of all obstructions, okay? As we bring our consciousness down to our sexual organs, our hips, our sacred organs, all of the negative energy that we might have experienced over the past. We'll release that energy from our wombs so we can be free moving into this meditation as our thighs, all those miles we've walked. Release that energy. that tension, that buildup. Your legs should feel heavy, almost to the point that it's holding you to wherever you're sitting or laying. Your lower legs, calves, knees, shins, release the tension. And finally, bring our awareness to our 2 feet, our soles, the soles of our feet. Release the tension. Detoxify the energy that sits at the bottom of our being. Be free from that energy as we enter into the solar plexus guided meditation. So in this moment, you are on an inward quest to find the pearl. All of the things that may be holding you back from focusing on your inner pearl, let us begin to shed all of those things that are holding us back from finding the pearl in the bottom of our essence, in the center of our essence. Let's bring our awareness to our abdomen area. Focus on your abdomen area for the duration of this meditation. If for some reason your focus wanders away from the abdomen, just simply bring it back. Take a deep, deep breath, deep into the abdomen, okay? And release the tension. This is a lifelong journey, so don't worry about releasing everything. Just make a gradual release with each breath. With each breath, we are shedding things that are holding us back from our pearl. All clothing that we may find ourselves in our astral body, let us remove all clothing, all obstructions. It is not a time to be pretty. It is a time to be pure. It is a time to be clear. It is a time to be transparent. So be free from all obstructions that you think you may have in this moment. Keep your mind on your abdomen in the pearl that rests at the bottom, deep in the essence of you. Begin to travel deep, deep within to yourself. The only way to get deep within yourself, you must be clear, you must be bare, you must be naked, you must be free. Now, as you travel deep into the recesses of your being, you notice the pearl, you see the pearl. Now imagine what this pearl looks like. Take note of it, feel it, smell it, hold it in your hands. Is it big enough to hold in your hands? Observe this pearl. This pearl is the focus of the meditation. Bring all of your awareness into your abdomen, into the deep center of your being. There resides a pearl. Focus in on this pearl. Make this pearl all of your perception. And at a certain point, you should realize that this pearl is you. And this brings up an abstraction. You may have thought that you were the human body. But the reality is that you are the soul. You are the driver. You are the navigator. You are the perceiver. You are not the doer. The doer is a tool that you can use as this pearl. If you cannot see this pearl currently, that is because you are still obstructed. You still have physical things blocking you. So any physical thing that you may be thinking about, please remove that now so you can begin to see and dwell on your soul, the pearl, the Manipura chakra. Observing this pearl, you are dealing with an unobstructed reality, an unobstructed truth. Now, this pearl that you have been marveling at this time begins to spontaneously combust. So now you have this burning ball of fire in the deep, deep recesses of your abdomen. And it starts to burn everything that you thought you knew about yourself. It begins to burn you. You become the flame that once was burning you. Then you realize this is who you are. You are not what you do. So every obstruction and every obstacle that you had was based upon your lack of understanding of who you are. So if you are still having negative emotions, set them before the pearl and allow them to be burnt. Burn away all negative emotions. Burn away all negative feelings. Burn away all uncomfortable situations. Burn away anything that disturbs you. Be pure in this moment. Be pure so you can interface with your pearl. Be pure so you can interface with your soul. Now, as that fire begins to die down, what you notice now is a more refined pearl, a more pure, a more clean, shinier pearl. Realizing that that pearl is you, realizing that that pearl is your soul, realizing that this now represents your pure divine energy that rests within you. And in this moment, you no longer have to deal with the facts of your life. You can now deal with the fact that you possess energy that you can now utilize and use to your benefit. Understand that you are the flame and not the items that were burned by the flame. So simply breathe deeper and be the energy that you are. Your breath is just a memory or a mirror to the flame that rests within you. Be who you are. Be pure. Be energy. Be divine. Exit out of the ego. Enter into the soul. Use this meditation whenever you feel as though the things in your life are overwhelming and you don't have an obstacle, you don't have an option, and life is full of obstacles. Use this meditation to realize who you are. You are pure divine energy, capable of all things. But you must travel inward to figure out who you are. And with that, namaste. Peace.